Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering ingredients and prepping vegetables for a clear workflow. Use 1 cup red lentils, 2 medium carrots, 1 medium onion, 4 cups vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tsp ground cumin, and 1/2 tsp salt. Peel and chop carrots into roughly 1/4-inch slices and dice the onion to similar size so they soften evenly. Rinse 1 cup lentils under cold water until water runs clear. Measure spices and set aside a 1 tablespoon lemon juice for finishing. Start by heating 2 tablespoons olive oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Sauté diced onion for about 5 minutes until translucent, then add 1 tsp ground cumin and cook another 30 seconds to bloom the spice. Stir in 2 chopped carrots and 1 cup rinsed lentils and cook 2 minutes to coat. Pour in 4 cups vegetable broth, bring to a gentle boil. Then reduce to low and simmer for 20 minutes uncovered until lentils and carrots are tender. Skim foam and stir occasionally for even cooking. When lentils and carrots are soft, use an immersion blender to puree the soup partially for texture or fully for a smooth consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding 1/2 tsp salt, black pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten flavors. If too thick, thin with up to 1 cup extra broth. Serve hot with a garnish of 1 tablespoon chopped parsley and a drizzle of olive oil. Cool leftovers to room temperature. Refrigerate in airtight containers for 3 days or freeze up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.